Matthew's probably reached its peak intensity in terms of the wind speed. Winds are on the order of 130 miles per hour or so. And the winds may gradually come down a bit, but not enough such that it's going to drop much below, say, a Category 3 hurricane as it approaches the Florida East Coast. So we have potential damage and loss of life still from three different hazards associated with Matthew. The storm surge, which will be coming ashore, as we said, 7 to maybe 11 feet, waves on top of that. We have very strong winds. There's also a risk for flooding, mainly in the inland areas, from excessive rainfall, 5 to 10 inches, locally 12 inches of rain. So all those hazards are in play, and what we'd like to do is make sure that everybody pays close attention to the recommendations of their local emergency management officials.
Absolutely, Ed. You said so. It's probably at its maximum intensity right now. It's a Category 4 storm, winds of up to 140 miles an hour. So you don't expect it to get any higher than that category and those winds?
We don't, and even if it were to be 5 miles per hour higher or 10 or 15 lower, it's not going to really change the impact. The most important aspect now is to have people away from the coast where the storm surge is going to be the highest, and we'll wait and see whether the core of the hurricane actually makes it to the coast, or if we're lucky, stays just offshore.
Just sort of skims it. So give us, what can we expect? Take us through, Ed, the next few hours. What should we expect?
Well, what we would expect is that the center will continue to move towards the northwest at about 12, 13 miles per hour. And what that will do is it'll take it close to the coast. And let's take a look at another view of the forecast. Here's the east coast of Florida. The red is where the hurricane warning is in effect. Here's the center of Matthew. And this brown area is the core. So you can see that the hurricane force winds are just offshore. But as the center progresses, gets a little bit closer to the coast, that core area will shift up and impinge upon the coast, bringing hurricane force winds.